that this movement is going to spread in every town and village all over the world. How will it happen? How will this movement spread all over the world in every town and village? Through preaching. If we just sit tight, living in a temple, taking care of our own sadhana, very nice, but that's not everything. Actually, taking care of our own sadhana, taking care of our own spiritual life is 50% of the mission. And what is the other 50%? The other 50% is to go out and preach. Aachaar and prachaar. Yes, you practice. If you preach without practicing, then you will be a hypocrite. That is not desirable. We have to practice, no doubt about that. Yes, we have to practice. But then we have to preach. And it is due to our preaching that this movement is going to grow.